Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we decode the future of tech. Today we have something truly exciting, the upcoming Apple Mac Mini M5. This isn't just an upgrade, it might be the biggest leap in the Mini line since Apple Silicon began. We're diving into the latest leaks, confirmed features, and release timelines of what could be the ultimate compact desktop of 2025. The journey so far. Apple introduced the Mac Mini back in 2005, and it was a revolution for minimalist computing. Fast forward to 2020, and the M1 Mac Mini shocked the world with performance in a tiny package. The M2 followed, refining power and efficiency. Now, rumors suggest that Apple might skip the M3 for the Mini and go straight to the M5, bringing the Mac Mini into the future. M5 chip, a new era. The M5 chip will be manufactured on TSMC's 3nm N3E process, promising an enormous boost in performance, graphics, and AI processing. Expected M5 specs: 10-core CPU, 6 performance, 4 efficiency, 14-core GPU with ray tracing support, 32-core neural engine. This will make it a monster for developers, designers, and anyone who wants blazing fast performance in a compact footprint. Design tweaks: design-wise, expect a modernized Mac Mini silhouette while retaining its small footprint. The M5 model could introduce minor design updates. Leaked design updates: slightly taller chassis for better thermal control, dual fan cooling system, new finishes, midnight, silver, and space black, subtle LED redesign for status indication. These changes would make the Mac Mini not only more powerful but also visually refined. Top 10 new features: 1 M5 3nm chip, game-changing architecture, 232GB unified memory option, more headroom for multitasking, 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports, faster transfer speeds and multiple monitor outputs for Wi-Fi 7 support, lightning fast, low latency wireless 5 PCIe Gen 5 SSD, speeds up to 13GB, 6 native 8K output, perfect for professionals working with ultra-highest content, 7 macOS Sequoia plus AI tools, smart automation and real-time AI productivity, 8 eco-friendly build made from 100% recycled aluminum, 9 improved cooling design, dual fan layout for quiet, efficient thermal management, 10 upgraded GPU performance, better than M2 Pro in graphics rendering. macOS Sequoia AI power. macOS Sequoia brings a new level of AI integration. With the M5, it can do everything from generating notes to real-time Siri context awareness, iPhone mirroring, and intelligent replies. Apple is clearly going all in on AI computing. Benchmarks and performance: leaked benchmarks suggest the M5 outperforms even the M2 Pro in certain tasks. Expected benchmarks: Geekbench single-core, 3300 multi-core, 17,000 plus neural engine, up to 65 trillion operations EC. This translates to faster video editing, rendering, gaming, and more. Ports and connectivity: the Mac Mini M5 isn't cutting back on I/O. You can expect full Pro-level connectivity. Expected ports for X Thunderbolt 5, those X USB, HDMI, those 8K support, 10 gigabits Ethernet, 3.5mm headphone jack, optional SDXC slot. Pricing and models: Apple is expected to keep the base model competitive, possibly at $599. Projected pricing tiers: base 8GB, 256GB, $599, mid 16GB, 512GB, $799, top end 32GB 1TB, $1,099, M5 Pro version if released $1,299, $1,499. Release date and event: analysts expect the Mac Mini M5 to be revealed at Apple's October 2025 event. If history repeats, pre-orders will open the same week, with units shipping in early November 2025. That's everything we know about the Mac Mini M5 so far. Are you excited about the performance leap, the 8K support, or that AI-powered Sequoia OS? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth Apple tech videos. Until next time, stay creative and stay informed.